If you have a friend on whom you think you can rely, you are a lucky man. If you found the reason to live on and not to die, you are a lucky man. Preachers and poets and scholars don't know it. Temples and statues and steeples won't show it. If you've got the secret, just try not to blow it. Stay a lucky man. A lucky man. If you found the meaning of the truth in this whole world, you are a lucky man. If knowledge hangs around your neck like pearls instead of chains, you are a lucky man. Takers and fakers and talkers won't tell you. Teachers and preachers will just buy and sell you. When no one can tempt you with heaven or hell, you be a lucky man. Tell you, teachers and preachers will just buy and sell you. When no one can tempt you with heaven or hell, you'll be a lucky man. You'd be better by far to be just what you are. You can be what you want if you are what you are, and that's a lucky man. Oh yeah, a lucky man. And that's a lucky man. A lucky man.